Hello, my name is Mike. I am one of the counselors for Nova Workforce. Today I'm going to go over with you some expectations of fast forward classes and how to schedule or reschedule the test. And we'll focus mainly on that today. So, first, the expectations. Students must pass the course, which means attending 90% of the class time. This is very important. If you are going to miss any time, it's always important to keep the teacher up to date with any missed time. Students will take the certification test within a certain time period as well. So if you are doing CompTIA A+, we ask that within 45 days you complete both of the tests. For any other IT class, for Fast Forward, we ask that it would be 30 days total after the class is finished in which you take the test. It's important to give yourself enough study time, but also not to wait too late as well. Alright, so before the class is finished, about a week before the class finishes, somewhere around that time, you'll be receiving an email from Workforce Test Center at nvcc.edu that will offer you 2 different days and times that you can choose from to take the test. We do this for scheduling purposes. It helps students and helps the test center. It would be at the Woodbridge campus at the WRC building, and they are open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now remember, of course, that at 4 p.m., that is the time in which the day is over for them. So if your test takes 2 hours, you should consider 2 p.m. the latest time to start it, for example. Right. Remember also, if you need special accommodations, you must request them through this website right here, pearsonview.com. If you do not reply to this email, then you've never really confirmed it, so then you will not be scheduled with Pearson VUE. So it's important to reply. It's good to check your spam box as well. Or to check in with us if you think you should have gotten it at Workforce Test Center at nvcc.edu. And we'll show that again at the end of this presentation. All right, after the class is over, remember, once it has been confirmed that you have passed the class, which means 90% or more attendance, you will receive the official confirmation of the test appointment from Pearson VUE. Only if you have reserved your time from that first email. So you first get an email from Nova, and then after you reserve it, then you get a confirmation from Pearson VUE. Pearson VUE is the vendor. They are the ones who make the test. All right, remember, students are not allowed to enroll in another Fast Forward class until you sit for the test. It might be necessary to pass that test before moving to a future one. Depends on the situation, but we can get there when we get there. So remember that this Pearson email, just to reiterate, it gets to you once we know that you have passed the test or passed the class. This might be 1 or 2 or 3 days after the class has finished, because the teacher would need to input information. We have to verify it. It has to be put on your record. So it might be a couple of days. Remember also that email from Pearson VUE is very important. Read every word. There's information about the 2 forms of ID that you need to bring in, what's acceptable, what isn't, as well as other special considerations for the test that you're taking. Alright, as far as rescheduling goes, remember that this is only done after you receive the Pearson VUE email. So you get the Nova email, select a day and time, even if it doesn't quite work for you. Then you get the Pearson VUE email, then you can reschedule. That email from Pearson VUE will tell you exactly what how do you do this. If you schedule a test at a different location because you need it for different hours or any other reason, we ask that you keep us informed closely and directly through Workforce Test Center at nvcc.edu, and also how you did on the test. This is because this is all grant funded, and if anyone has worked in any fields with grant funding, we should know that data is important, so we must keep track of that information. Remember that there are expiration dates for these, and that you should take the test, again, 30 days within finishing the class, or 45 for A+, both A+ tests. All right, after the test day, and if an exam retake is needed, we ask that you let us know. Again, data is important, keeping track at Workforce Test Center at nvcc.edu, so we can add the credential to your records, or if you didn't pass, just please let us know as well. Students are responsible for purchasing any retake exams from the test sponsor directly. We do have a link here for a discounted test voucher. You must have a .edu email address, and you in fact do have that, being a student in this class. All right, and then here's the web address for pearsonview.com/Cisco, as Cisco is a little different for the CCENT, CCNA classes. All right, finally, here's the contact information for us. Again, here's Mike, that's me, Jennifer, these are our phone numbers. The best way to reach us is the email address here. Anything having to do with the test, taking it, retaking it, etc., is Workforce Test Center at nvcc.edu. All right, thank you.